chatbot by using Bedrock, Lex, S3, and RAG. RAG is a retrieval augmented generation. Okay, let's go, guys. We're gonna need some access to Amazon Titans for embeddings. I will explain all this while as we go, and to have some access to Bedrock models, Cloud, for example. Okay, let's go to Bedrock, and also the diagram, we are going to create it as we go. Okay, so you need to log in your MI account with admin privileges for having some accesses. Okay, I'm gonna request some models. So for me, I already have accesses. Okay, but I'm going to add other accesses, so I will show you how it works. Normally, I'm gonna receive a message. What else I can add? I can add this one. Okay, we're gonna just click on next and add those. Normally, you receive an email that will confirm you that you have access on this one. Okay, so let's go to upload our S3 file. Okay, I'm going to upload a book, and that book will be able to chat about that. I just received my email, the email that confirmed me that I have accesses. Okay, let's create a bucket. It's my book AI bucket test. Hope it's not already used. I'm gonna leave it as default. Okay, so in this bucket we are going to upload add a file. Okay, there we go. Maps of Meaning by JP Jordan Peterson. Okay, nice, successfully. So now we're gonna go to here to build a knowledge basis. Okay. So now here, the important thing here to create a knowledge basis is to try to sync our file with Bedrock. Okay. So I already told you what it is, Bedrock. So basically, Bedrock will help us to build and scale applications by using powerful models from different companies. Okay, without even have to manage the infrastructures. We're gonna leave it like that. No, you need to change something. We can add something, but we don't need it. Okay, we're gonna add our S3 browser. Here's my bucket AI tests, my book AI tests. Okay, I'm gonna select the one that we used before. So it was this one. I already have access to both, I guess, but so much. So here we are going to store our data, vectors data. Oh, the embeddings. If you don't know what is the embeddings, if I explain, embeddings are a way to turn word or text into numbers so that an AI can understand and compare them. For example, if you have two sentences, means the same thing, the numbers called vectors will be similar. Okay? So we're gonna create this knowledge bases. Okay, so we already use two models, two AI services, two AWS services, Bedrock and S3. We can already put them in the diagram. Okay, so here we have S3, S3, Bedrock, you can also add the user experience. Okay, the user experience in between them, which we are going to use next is Lex, Amazon Lex, which is the chatbot. Okay, I'm gonna put some space. Okay, so we have an arrow goes to Amazon Lex, which is the user who will try to talk with the chatbot. The chatbot who get the info from Amazon Bedrock. I'm gonna put another back. No, this one. Okay, and Bedrock will get the file from S3. Okay, amazing. So basically here, okay, so you upload the file in the S3, and to get the AI ability, we use Bedrock, okay, which will have access to Lex, okay. When we sync the documents with Bedrock, we understand it soon, okay. So we're gonna go to Lex. We're gonna check a little bit about our knowledge bases. Okay, so we see that our knowledge base has been created successfully. We're gonna sync our documents too with S3. Okay, so here we can understand that while we upload the file in the S3, and to get the AI ability with Bedrock, we will need to use, as I say, Bedrock, which will sync with the S3 and then connect to the bot. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. Arms and legs, now create a bot, traditional way. Maps of meaning, AI. Create a row. We can add a description, but it's optional. Don't really need it. And reference line, don't need it. You can add minutes to session. Advanced settings, we don't need it. Okay, we're gonna keep the English as the main language. I'm gonna use Daniel.
Hello, my name is Danielle.
Okay.
Let me know how I can assist you.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. Let's go. Okay, so here's the intent. Basically, it's already written here. 0% fulfill as user's quest. Okay, so in the easy way, it's basically a goal or a purpose behind what the user trying to say. For example, when we say something to the bot, what do they want? The intent is how arms and legs is going to understand or categorize it. Okay? So here we go. My test intent. Okay, describe it as I want or something. I don't need inferences. Okay, here's the inferences. Inferences, you can understand that is the phrases that the user will speak or type to invoke a particular intent. Okay, I can type like, for example, hi. Let me put that yo. Good morning. Nah, we're running here. Good morning. Hello. You can add everything that you want. Okay, so you can add also a response that AI will give you. Okay, like hi. How can I help you, or how can I assist you? Okay. Okay, we don't need all this. We put some advanced options. Okay, so in this apps, you can put wait the user to say something. Okay, so it means that in the next step of the conversation between the bot and the user might have to wait. The bot will have to wait to the user to say something before it answers or before it says something else. Okay. Update. Okay, and I'm gonna set the intent and build. Okay. So here is also the fallback intent. The fallback intent is an intent that is created automatically. So the fallback intent is when you ask something or a question to the bot and the bot don't have the answer, it will automatically answer you fallback intent because it don't have the document or PDFs or everything that you put in it. Okay, so it basically don't have any answer about that. Okay, so here we can test it real quick. Okay, and say hi. Say hi. How can I help you? Okay, tell me about the book. Okay, so you see, intent fallback because it doesn't have the information already about the book. Okay, so how are we gonna do here? We might ask yourself, maybe we can use a lot of intents or uses to create like a conversation about the book, but this will cost really time and energy to put in it. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, it's go back to intents and build this one. Okay, generative AI and my AI Q&A book. Okay, and we're gonna use Cloud IQ3. I might even put this one. And with this one, which is the magic here, to change everything, we're gonna copy the knowledge base ID and put it here. Okay. Okay. You don't see it. You cannot use this, but you don't really need it right now because it's already sync. And then normally it has been successfully built. And now you're gonna build again. Normally you might be able to talk about the book. Okay. That is the main thing here. Okay. So it's kind of to say, oh, take the knowledge ID and discuss with the user about what is inside the knowledge ID. Okay. Okay, we're gonna test this. Hi, me about the book. Gonna work? Yes. Okay, nice. The book discusses topics such as structure, belief systems, affection mythology, astronomy, no psychology response, belief, mythology. Okay, oh, nice. Okay, tell me the main idea on page 14. Okay, let's see. The main idea on page 14, the word can be valid viewed either from technical science, script, narrative, technical meaning. Okay, so now we see that we have created our bot, and now we can ask him everything about the book. By the way, it's a great book to read about. It's about J.P. Jordan Peterson, an amazing psychologist. Okay, thank you. So the important thing is we are going to delete everything, so we are not gonna spend a lot of money. Okay, we're not gonna spend money. Okay, we're gonna delete the bot. Delete this one. Okay, delete the knowledge bases. Delete. Come back here, delete the S3 bucket. It doesn't cost because it's empty, but we're just gonna delete it. My book AI test. Okay, so the bot is deleted. Node basis. Okay, so here is the diagram about what we just built. The user asks something to Amazon Lex, but all that behind the scene is that there's Bedrock, Amazon S3. Bedrock really need S3 to sync, so Amazon Lex can have every information that he needs to give to the user. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.